Hello and welcome back to our series on Microsoft 365 Business. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can protect your data by simply managing how users can access their Office files on mobile devices. So we're going to access this using our setup wizard. This is the same location where you're probably going to see initially, and this is where it's going to ask you to set up your DNS records for personalized sign-in, add users and assign licenses to those users, and finally, protect your data and devices. So as you can see, we got the first two steps done. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue Setup, and it'll bring me off to this Protect Data step. Now you can see here on this menu here, we have Manage how users access Office files on mobile devices. Simply by toggling this on, we're going to enable by default a lot of really great restrictions that you as an administrator can adjust. For example, an administrator can require users to add to provide a PIN number to access their Office applications. So even if their device is not secured with a PIN, you can be sure that their Office apps are. You can also set how many failed logins are allowed before users must reset reset their password, or you can require users to sign in after they've been idle for a certain amount of time. You can also deny access for any devices that are jailbroken or rooted. This actually helps, obviously, to prevent data leakage, to make sure that your employees are just using compliant devices to access company data. And finally, as an admin, you can choose whether or not to add or deny users the ability to copy Office content to their personal apps. For example, this can actually prevent a user from copying data to their personal email or to a public social channel such as like Facebook or Twitter. So with these just few settings, as an administrator for even a small business, you can actually exercise really broad control over how users can access and use company files.